Welcome to Our Sweet Home Life. It's MoeJoe and Glenda, and we're here at Tannehill State Park near Bessemer, Alabama. And we've been camping a few days. And we've had a really great time. I think he's gonna take off, y'all. Here he goes.
All aboard!
There they go. There they go, y'all.
The old 276 running right on time.
It's going to take them over there to where Trade Days is in Tannehill, which is right over there. That's
About a quarter of a mile one way.
one way, and then if you want to ride it back, you have to get on it over there and pay $1. It's $1 each way. But there he goes, y'all. We are at the flea market here at Tannehill.
Oh.
It's market day. And look at this old game here. Flip it. A game of chance, 25 cents. Flip a coin into any slot and get double your money back. 4 winning symbols. I don't think I've ever seen one like that. And here's ballpoint pens, guaranteed. 10 cents. This machine protected by U.S. patents. Look at that. Look at this one. This is ballpoint pens too. 10 cents. Don't remember pens being sold in a thing like that. But let's look at the blue one.
Oh, do you?
Quality pens. This one doesn't have any pens in it. But isn't that cool?
So bad, I hate to do that.
Well, look what else this gentleman has. He has sprinkler systems.
It gets hot, this pops off. The springs pull these out, and the water starts spraying.
That's pretty cool, isn't
That's
it?
before my time.
What era? Do you know about what year?
I don't. I'm guessing maybe
20s maybe?
maybe early 20s.
Early 20s.
Yeah, would be my
Well, that's
guess.
pretty cool. Is that a railroad lantern?
Oh,
It
this is a fire.
antique fire hose.
Oh, that's
Oh,
an
that-
antique fire hose.
Yeah, that's a lantern.
And there's the lantern. My people are railroad people, you know.
Yeah.
And I like railroad
Y'all
stuff.
do too.
I just jumping
What
in
else
here,
we
but
got?
that's what I remember toys looking like, those
That's it.
pressed metal.
That's an old piece.
I bet you look under there and see it's made in Japan.
Don't say, does it?
I can't see it. Doesn't say.
But what kind of toy is that? Is it a cash register?
Cash register.
Or a cash register?
Yeah.
Look at that. That's pretty cool.
Oh,
Yeah. That's pretty neat.
look at the sodas. Here you go. What is this, 6-ounce Coke?
6 ounce, and these are from different cities. They're really good.
Wait a minute, let me do it.
Yeah. This is what I remember as a little child
This
Coke
is it.
looking like.
Near Birmingham.
6 ounce. They used to make fun of me because I'd get a 16-ounce, and everybody called that belly washer. Now it's 32 ounces, and they don't think twice about it.
That's right.
Yeah. And it used to, you turn these in for a deposit, 3 cents.
3 cents
That's
each.
right.
And we would look by the roadways where people had thrown them out as kids and gather them up in a little wagon and take them to the store and redeem them for 3 cents.
Oh, I used to do that all the time.
Guys, if you look at that, you'll see where it was made at, Washington, D.C., and
Oh.
that's what you look. All these old ones have the name on them.
That's pretty cool.
Very collectible.
Well, he has some interesting things over there. We're going to go on down to the market. But Franklin Feed Mill, that's an old sign. Can't hardly get it in my camera, but it's an old tin sign. There's a cigarette sign. You don't see those anymore for sure. And look at the trucks, the tin trucks. Buddy L. That Tonka. Oh, and look at this dump truck. Hydraulic.
I remember these, Glenda.
Yes, the dump trucks. Oh, and there's a gasoline truck.
Yeah.
Oh, and look at this. Hot Wheels. I know you all remember those Hot Wheels. That's pretty cool. Hello.
How are y'all?
Look at the cars, the old cars.
Oh, yeah.
Did you own any cars like this?
You got any 442s in here? No, sir, I don't.
No 442s. That was his first car.
I have some small Max dog. Oh, yeah. Now here's the Mustang. It's a later model.
Yeah?
That's Monza. Oh, Mazda.
A Mazda,
A
y'all.
Monza. Yeah. Monza. That's a Chevy? Yes, sir. Chevy Monza. Yeah.
Don't remember that one. But
Yeah,
look at the station wagon.
57 wagon. Yeah.
I remember those.
Yeah, that's Rambler. A Rambler.
A Rambler.
A Rambler.
That one is the Rambler. Okay, those are pretty cool. Look at the cool radio, 1955 model.
I know about it, but I don't know it.
WVOK.
I'm 48. That's my.
That was for your time. Oh, and the old train. I love railroad
Yeah, I
stuff.
love railroads.
I'm a train person.
Here's a squeeze box, baby. Accordion.
Yeah.
Accordion.
Never saw one of those toy accordions.
I don't need them.
There you go.
Look at that. Pretty cool. Oh, and here's your radio, your phone. Intercom phone set. We used to play Spy. And pretend we had something like that. Didn't ever have one, but pretended we did. With FBI agents.
Right.
Ping pong.
Yeah.
Oh, the sewing machine. Yes, yes, yes. I always wanted one of those too, but didn't get that one either.
That's a chance to get one.
Yeah.
There you go. It's time to get one, Glenn.
Lights Alive. Now, I don't remember that. Okay. Check out the bird houses. Aren't they cute? That's a robot. Two-story barbecue. The saloon. Funeral store. Look at the little log cabin.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Aren't they cute? Those are really cute. Did you make these?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, you did an awesome job.
Thank you.
I love it.
And there's
It's so cute. And the tree,
and then it
you try to be different. I think you are different. Oh, look at the one that has the little glasses and a moon or a smile.
Like if you're leaving Morgan
The outhouses.
driving down 13, it's going to be on
And
the
Mr.
left.
and Miss Santa,
Who's
look
those
at
people
that.
that
Aren't they cute? Oh, look at that little robot there. He's got all kinds of little robots. And the church on the pole. And look at the barn, and it's got a car in there. Look at that. Do y'all know what kind of car that is? Let me know in the comments, because I don't know. Aren't they cute? All these. Oh, and here's a truck. That's a Volkswagen, I think. Of course, we got the flag. And look at the saw. Isn't that cute? And look at that one. He's fishing. Aren't they pretty? He does an awesome job. That's a bird feeder. Awesome. I don't know how much they are, but he really does a good job. Check out the birds. Aren't those cute? Cute. They're so cute. Got a bear over there. All kinds of little birds. He's carved. Oh, and here's some turtles. Thank you very much for joining MoeJoe and I today as we toured the trade days at Tannehill. We saw a lot of things that brought back a lot of childhood memories. Let us know in the comments if you saw anything that reminded you of your childhood. And we appreciate each one of you joining us and watching our videos and sharing them. And we'll see you next time on our next adventure. Give us some ideas of where you would like for us to travel to. We'd appreciate that too. And what kind of videos you enjoy. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.